Good morning, students. Once again, welcome back in computer class. You all know very well about myself, Ravi Kumar. I am your computer teacher in Sivrat Singh Children Academy. In today's class, we will take the revision of Chapter 1, Hardware and Software. Dear students of class 3rd, in your syllabus, Chapter 1, Hardware and Software, we will take the hardware and software. As you all know very well about computer, a computer is an amazing machine that can do lots of work, and there are various parts of computer that works together as a computer, and the two basic parts of computer are the hardware and software. It means hardware is going to categorize in input device, second is output device, and third one is storage device. In the same way, the software is also categorizing in two parts. Number one, system software, and second one is application software. The first part is input device, output device, and store device. It means the hardware is going to categorize into three different parts: input, output, and storage hardware. In the same way, software is also going to categorize into two parts: system software and application software. So firstly, we will take the detailed information about the hardware. You know about hardware? I think you know about hardware. The physical components of the computer system which we are going to see and touch is called hardware. The physical parts of a computer system which we easily see and touch is called hardware. कंप्यूटर के जिस भाग को हम बड़ी आसानी से देख सकते हैं, छू सकते हैं, उन्हें हम हार्डवेयर कहते हैं. And hardware is going to divide into three parts: input device, output device, and storage device. Once again, I am going to repeat the same statement. Hardware. The physical components of a computer which we can easily see and touch are called hardware. The physical components of a computer which we can easily see and touch are called hardware. यानी कंप्यूटर के जिन भागों को हम बड़ी ही आसानी से देख सकते हैं, छू सकते हैं, उन्हें हम हार्डवेयर कहते हैं। द फिजिकल कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ ए कंप्यूटर विच वी कैन इजीली सी एंड टच आर कॉल्ड हार्डवेयर। नाउ लिसन केयरफुली। You have seen about a human body. You have seen about a human body. आपने मानव शरीर देखा होगा। इस मानव शरीर में you are going to observe hands, legs, stomach and many more parts, lungs, kidneys and many more parts, bones. But we are going to see these physical parts. You are not able to see the internal parts like liver, kidney, heart, veins, bones. You are unable to see. आप केवल मानव शरीर में ऊपर का हिस्सा आप देख सकते हैं, लेकिन जो इसके अंदर का जो हिस्सा है उसको आप नहीं देख पाएंगे। जो ये ऊपर का हिस्सा जो दिख रहा है इसको कहते हैं हार्डवेयर, लेकिन जो अंदर जो चीजें हैं उनको कहेंगे सॉफ्टवेयर। क्यों? बिकॉज वी आर अनेबल टू सी और टच। हम उनको ना तो देख सकते हैं ना तो उनको छू सकते हैं, इसीलिए दे आर कॉल्ड सॉफ्टवेयर। बट इन द हार्डवेयर द डेफिनेशन इज गोइंग टू से द फिजिकल कंपोनेंट्स। इट मीन्स द फिजिकल कंपोनेंट्स यहां पे क्या बोल रहा है ये? फिजिकल कंपोनेंट्स आर गोइंग इनटू डिवाइड इनटू 3 पार्ट्स: इनपुट, आउटपुट and storage. Three parts is going to be divided. In the input device, we can write about keyboard, mouse, joystick, and many more. Input device, it means keyboard, mouse, light pen, scanner, OMR, OCR, वेब कैमरा, VCR, there are more hardware devices. Microphone, these are the input devices of computer: keyboard, mouse, light pen, scanner, OMR, OCR, VCR, microphone, web camera, and we can also write here MICR. और भी बहुत सारे आपके पास इनपुट डिवाइसेस हैं। You know about keyboard? Keyboard is an input device generally used for typing. Keyboard generally used for typing. कीबोर्ड से टाइपिंग किया जाता है। माउस यूज टू सेलेक्ट और ड्रॉ द इमेजेस। माउस इज यूज टू select or draw the images. Next one is light pen. Light pen looks like a pen that can be used on special pad. Light pen is looks like a pen and generally used to write on the pad. Scanner is also a type of printer to scan the pictures. Scanner is a type of printer to scan the pictures. OMR stands for optical mark reader. Optical mark reader, it means it marks the paper. OCR, optical character recognition. This machine will recognize the character of a document. Same way here, web camera. Web camera is also going to be used in the classroom or in the shops, malls to capture the pictures. Here BCR, barcode reader. Barcode reader is also a type of machine used in malls, shops to recognize or capture the barcodes of the product. Microphone, generally used to speaking. MICR, magnetic ink character recognition. This machine is generally recognize the bank checks, identify the bank checks, a special ink. It's called MICR. So these all are the input devices of your computer system. Next our device is output device. Output device. Here output device is going to categorize into three parts. Number first is monitor, second is printer, and third one is plotter. We can also include in this speaker. You know monitor, it always display the message or output. Monitor will always display the message or it will always show the output of your printed page. Next one is printer. It will print the output. On the hard copy. Third one is plotter. This will also print the output on the hard copy, but the difference between printer and plotter, printer will print in the A4 size paper and plotter will print the long paper like posters, banners. These all types of printing are going to be through plotter. And the speaker, you know very well about the speaker. Third topic is about storage device. Third one is storage device. In the storage device, first one is CD. It means compact disc. CD, compact disc, and compact disc is smaller than DVD. Digital versatile disc. CD, compact disc, and DVD digital versatile disc. It means here half an picture of the movie is going to be loaded, but in the DVD there are totally 6 movie can able to be loaded, because the here half MB and here is more than larger part. Third one is flash drive. Flash drive is also called pen drive. It also can store the lot of information into it. But before using the pen drive into the computer, you can easily scan with the antivirus. Next one is hard disk. It is a very important storage part of the computer. Hard disk is the very important storage part of the computer that can store a lot of information into it. And last one is Blu-ray disc. 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 This will compare to the DVD, but CD से बड़ा होता है DVD और DVD से बड़ा होती है Blu-ray disc. It means CD will store the less amount of information than DVD, and DVD will store the less amount of information than Blu-ray disc. It means we can store a lot of information into Blu-ray disc, but once upon a time, hard disk is the one of the most important part of a computer that can store a lot of information into the device. So hardware is going to be divided into 3 parts: input device, output device and storage device. यानी हार्डवेयर कंप्यूटर का वह भाग होता है जिसे हम बड़ी ही आसानी से देख सकते हैं, छू सकते हैं। हार्डवेयर को 3 भागों में बांट दिया गया है। पहला इनपुट डिवाइस। इनपुट डिवाइस इज द डिवाइस विच वी कैन एंटर द इंफॉर्मेशन इनटू द कंप्यूटर। इनपुट डिवाइस वह डिवाइस होता है कंप्यूटर का जिसे हम अपनी बातों को आसानी से कंप्यूटर के अंदर डाल सके। सेकेंड पॉइंट, आउटपुट डिवाइस। आउटपुट डिवाइस इज द डिवाइस विच कैन after processing we get the information that is called output device. It means output device वह डिवाइस होता है कंप्यूटर का जिसे हम बड़ी ही आसानी से इनपुट की गई चीज़ों को यह आउटपुट डिवाइस हमें मॉनिटर स्क्रीन पर दिखाता है, स्पीकर से सुनाई देगा और प्रिंटर से कागज़ पर प्रिंट करेगा। तीसरी बात ध्यान देने वाली, स्टोरेज डिवाइस। कंप्यूटर के अंदर स्टोरेज डिवाइस सबसे बड़ा है हार्ड डिस्क, जिसके अंदर हम बड़ी ही आसानी से अपनी किसी भी चीज़ को स्टोर कर सकते हैं, नहीं इकट्ठा कर सकते हैं, उसको बचा के रख सकते हैं। हम जो भी चीज़ें कंप्यूटर में अपना वर्क करेंगे, जैसे लिखेंगे, कुछ चीज़ टाइपिंग करेंगे, डॉक्यूमेंट फाइल बनाएंगे, फोल्डर बनाएंगे, पढ़ाई लिखाई की जो भी चीज़ें होंगी हमारी, या और भी ऑफिस का जो भी वर्क होता है, हम उसको बड़ी ही आसानी से हम अपने कंप्यूटर सिस्टम में यानी स्टोरेज डिवाइस के अंदर बड़ी आसानी से स्टोर करके रखते हैं। सेम है जैसे हमें in our human body we can store a lot of information into our brain. In the same way we can also store the lot of information into these various types of devices: CD, DVD, flash disk, hard disk, Blu-ray. These all are the storage device of the computer system. Are you all able to understand? Come to the next topic. Next part is software. You know about software? Software means a set of instructions that can do the specific work. A software is a set of instructions that the computer have to be do it. It's called software. It means in the simple formula we can write a set of instructions that do the specific work. Is called software. A set of instructions that do the specific work is called सॉफ्टवेयर. यानी सॉफ्टवेयर किन्हीं सूचनाओं के समूह को ही सॉफ्टवेयर कहा जाता है. सॉफ्टवेयर हैव डिवाइड इनटू द टू पार्ट्स. नंबर 1 सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर, and number 2 application software. Number first system software and number second is application software. It means the system software. System software, it is a set of programs that controls the overall activities of the computer. System software is a program that controls the overall activities of the computer. Means the operating system. Operating system, you know about operating system? Operating system is a system software which makes the relationship between the user and the hardware. Operating system is a system software which makes the relationship between the user and the hardware. That is called operating system. Operating system कंप्यूटर सिस्टम का वो भाग होता है जो कि यूजर और हार्डवेयर के बीच में एक रिलेशन बनाता है. इट मीन्स यूजर कंप्यूटर को आज्ञा देगा वर्क करने के लिए और कंप्यूटर उस वर्क को करेगा. इसी को ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम कहते हैं. सेकंड पॉइंट है इसमें एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर. एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर कंप्यूटर का वह भाग है जिसमें एक स्पेसिफिक वर्क किया जाता है. यानी एप्लीकेशन ऐप जिसको आप लोग बोलते हैं एप्स. एप्लीकेशन यानी एक प्रकार से पर्टिकुलर किसी वर्क के लिए ही बना हुआ है. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल MS पेंट नाम सुना है. MS पेंट इट मीन्स माइक्रोसॉफ्ट पेंट. In that application software, we can do only drawing programs. MS Paint में केवल हम ड्राइंग ही करेंगे. और in the notepad program, we can just type anything. In the calculator, we can just calculate anything. So this type of more programs are there particular, so that is called application program. Google Chrome, it means surf the engines. So there is some particular programs. So dear students of class 3rd, today's your chapter 1 revision have been completed. Now it's your homework. learn the definition of hardware and software. Second, learn the write the parts name of input and output device of computer. Number third, also write the example of system software and application software. This is your homework. Write the definition of hardware and software. मैंने आपको इस वीडियो में बताया है हार्डवेयर और सॉफ्टवेयर का डेफिनेशंस. हार्डवेयर, the physical parts, physical components of the computer which we can easily see and touch is called hardware. Software, a set of instructions that can do a specific type of work is called software. यहाँ सेकंड क्वेश्चन, राइट द पार्ट्स नेम ऑफ द इनपुट एंड आउटपुट डिवाइस ऑफ कंप्यूटर. मैंने इस वीडियो में ये भी बताया आपको कि इनपुट डिवाइस कौन कौन से इनपुट डिवाइस होते हैं. कीबोर्ड, माउस, जॉयस्टिक, लाइट पेन, वेब कैमरा, माइक्रोफोन, ऑप्टिकल कैरेक्टर रिकॉग्नाइजेशन, बारकोड रीडर, मैग्नेटिक इंक कैरेक्टर रिकॉग्नाइजेशन. तो आप इनके नेम्स यहाँ लिखेंगे. फिर मैंने कहा आउटपुट डिवाइस के लिखने मॉनिटर, प्रिंटर, प्लॉटर, स्पीकर, हेडफोन्स, ये आपके आउटपुट डिवाइस हो गए. ऑल्सो राइट द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर एंड एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर. सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर के अंदर आप एग्जाम्पल्स लिख सकते हैं आपके ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम्स. यू कैन ऑल्सो टेक द हेल्प ऑफ योर बुक. आपके बुक में दे रखा है सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर के एग्जाम्पल्स. आप विंडो ले सकती हैं, यूनिक्स, many types of windows. You can take the example from system software, and in the application software you can take the 4 or 5 types of application like MS Paint, Notepad, WordPad, calculator. These are the examples of system application software. So have a nice day and thank you.